Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you step by step how to find hidden features on Samsung Galaxy F36 5G. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. Let's dive right in. Method 1. Enable Edge Lighting Style. Open the Settings app and scroll to Notifications. Tap Notifications Pop-up Style and then choose Edge Lighting Style. This feature makes incoming notifications light up the edges of your screen with beautiful animations. You can customize the color, transparency, and lighting effect for a stylish look every time you receive a message or alert. Method 2. Turn on Do Not Disturb mode. Go to Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Notifications, then open the Do Not Disturb. Toggle it on to silence calls, messages, and app notifications. You can schedule quiet hours for bedtime or meetings and allow exceptions for favorite contacts or repeat callers so important messages still get through. Method 3. Use the Circle to Search feature. Open Settings, scroll down and tap Display, then scroll again and open Navigation bar. Then locate Circle to Search and switch it on. To use it, press and hold the navigation bar icon. Draw a circle around any text or image on your screen, and Samsung will instantly show search results, perfect for quick information without opening a browser. Method 4. Activate the Edge panel. Head to Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Display, then scroll and go to Edge panels and turn it on. Swipe inward from the side of the screen to open customizable panels. Add shortcuts for apps, contacts, weather, tools like a ruler, or even a clipboard for quick multitasking. Method 5. Activate Dual Messenger. Go to Settings, scroll down and tap on Advanced Features, then scroll down and open Dual Messenger. Select apps like WhatsApp, Messenger, or Snapchat to create a second copy so you can log in with two different accounts at the same time. This is perfect for keeping work and personal chats separate. Method 6. Enable Developer Mode. Open Settings, then scroll down and tap on About Phone, then go to Software Information. Tap build number 7 times. Enter your phone password or PIN when prompted. Developer mode unlocks advanced options like USB debugging, animation speed adjustments, and background process limits for improved performance. Method 7. Hide apps. Navigate to the Settings menu, scroll down and open Home screen, and then scroll again and tap Hide Apps on Home and App screens. Select the apps you want to hide and tap Done. The apps stay installed but disappear from view, ideal for privacy or keeping your screen clutter-free. Method 8. Activate Always On Display. Go to Settings, then scroll down and tap on Lock Screen and AOD, then go to Always On Display. Enable it to show the time, date, battery percentage, and notifications even when your screen is off. You can also customize clock styles, colors, and brightness. Method 9. Customize Lock Screen in Settings, then scroll and open Lock Screen and AOD. Then tap on the Edit Lock screen and then wait a few moments to open it. You can change the clock style, add widgets, or apply a new wallpaper. This allows you to personalize your phone's first impression with unique designs and quick access tools. Method 10. Set battery charge limit. Go to Settings, then scroll down and tap Battery. Then scroll down and Battery Protection. Enable it and set a maximum limit like 90%. This prolongs battery lifespan by preventing overcharging. Method 11. Add widgets to your home screen. Unlock your phone, long press on an empty home screen space, and tap Widgets. Browse the available options like weather, calendar, or music controls. Tap Add, then drag and resize them to fit your layout. Widgets give you instant access to important information without opening apps. These powerful hidden features let you customize, secure, and optimize your Samsung Galaxy phone for a truly personal experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.